recurring decimal 1.234 bar. It will be written as, first we written the whole number will be written as 1234 minus, before the bar number is 1 to 12, divide by, here 2-digit number is the bar number, so 99, but the point will be, after the point it will be one number, so we take 0. So 1 to 34 minus 12 is 1 to 22, divide by 990 is the right answers. Here 4.364 bar, 367 bar, 4.367 bar. It will be written as 4367 minus, before the bar number is 43, divide by 2-digit number, so 99, and then after the point here 1-digit number, so we will take 0. So 4367 minus 43 is 4324 divide by 990 is the right answers.